In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GoHighLevel for beginners. We'll walk through the essential first steps so you can start managing contacts, scheduling appointments, and setting up billing with confidence. Begin by opening your GoHighLevel dashboard. From here, head straight to Contacts. This is where all your people live: leads, clients, prospects, so you can keep communication organized and track every interaction in one place. Click Add Contact to create a new record. As a beginner, this is one of the most important habits to build. Every workflow, message, or booking becomes more effective when your contact details are clean and complete. Enter the first name and last name so you can personalize messages later. Add an email address to enable email campaigns, confirmations, and follow-ups. If applicable, include a phone number to unlock text messaging and call tracking. Select a contact type to label the person appropriately, such as lead or client, which helps with filtering and reporting. If needed, set a time zone so reminders and automations go out at the right local time. When you're done, click Save to store the new contact. Next, go to Calendars. Calendars are a go-to tool for beginners because they eliminate back-and-forth scheduling and automatically send confirmations and reminders. Click Go to Calendar Settings, then Create Calendar. For this example, choose Personal Booking. You can always pick a different calendar type later depending on your use case. Type in a clear calendar name so it's obvious what the booking is for. If applicable, select a team member to add so the right person is assigned to meetings. Type a custom URL to make your booking link easy to share and remember. Set your meeting duration to define how long each appointment lasts and to protect your availability. Click Confirm to finalize the setup. Your calendar is now ready to share, embed, or include in automated messages. To keep everything in sync, click Connections, then click Add New and choose Calendars. Connect your preferred provider such as Google, Outlook, iCloud, or Calendly so booked events appear on your main calendar and you avoid double booking. This is a big help when you're just starting out. Finally, go to Billing. This section manages your plan, usage, and payment details so your account stays active without interruptions. Click Add Payment Method, then click Please Select to choose your payment option. When everything looks correct, click Proceed to save it securely. That's it for this beginner setup. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.